can we do in 10 seconds, baby?
Well, you're not careful. Not that many.
Not that many. Yo! New Year's ride, baby.
Let's go.
All right, round two. How many can we get in 10 seconds? Here we go.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Come off that front, but lean back on that back. There it is. Watch this, watch this. I'm gonna get some rocks on them right here. Here we go. Get ready. Hey, if you go on a long ride and your battery dies on your pint, don't forget you can do this. The battery regens. No, throw it in the back of the truck. Like, set it down.
Ford just died.
Thanks for getting us.
You're welcome.